Ollie is a 2014 Ram Promaster cargo van 2500 and can safely carry 8,900 pounds. While Ollie is 1,000 pounds under max weight, adding SuperSprings would increase the capacity an additional 1,900 pounds. The installation is rather simple. Jack up the van, place the rubber piece under the Sumo springs, clamp the leaves together, and bolt it down. Two things to keep in mind during installation. If your van has a hitch, you're going to want to slide the SuperSpring forward and use the tightest bolt, the second setting, so that it clears the hitch. Two, on the passenger side, make sure that you're not blocking access to lowering your spare tire. In order to improve ride quality, we added coil springs to the front, yellow Sumo springs to the rear, and now added SuperSprings. The Sumo springs were a huge improvement over the factory ones, and they helped to make the ride more enjoyable, especially on dirt roads or anything that is bumpy. But there had to be something to make it even better, and this is definitely it. The ride is stiffer, which is great when you're making turns. It doesn't feel like the van's gonna topple over and anything's gonna come out flying or bottom out after every speed bump.